Hi guys, my name is Mitch Ellis. I'm the lead developer of the 3D Hive Builder, and today we're going to be learning how to create a consumable item using the 3D Hive Builder. So we're currently in the logic editor now, and we're going to create a new item, and we do that by hovering over the Add Plus button and clicking the item button, which creates a blank template of an item. And now we're going to set the settings of that item. So we're going to click on this, and this will take us to the settings screen where we can actually select what type of item we want to create. I'm going to give my item a name. For our sake, I'm going to give my item the name of consumable item, so it makes sense. And I'm going to select the item type, consumable, because that's what we're making today. And you'll notice that we get a bunch of settings that are related to a consumable item. So a consumable item is basically an object that a player can run into and eat straight away, and it affects properties on that player. So the first step we do is decide on a 3D object. So we can look at our object library and we can select any kind of object we want. I'm going to select a piece of grass for my consumable object, and I'm going to click the 3D object of grass. I'm going to click the select button down here. Okay, great. So I've selected my 3D object. The next step I need to do is consumable items need to be told how they should affect the player when the player runs into it. So we've got a bunch of settings here that we can change to do that. The simplest is health, so we can actually affect the health of it. This grass is going to be good for my player. So when my player character runs into the grass, they will gain 20 health points. And you notice here that we've got some other properties. Stamina affects the energy of the player. We have an attribute called food in the game, which is constantly decreases throughout the game. We can also do things like give the player coins for a point system, or we can even affect player properties. So player properties such as speed. So we can actually make the player faster or slower once they've eaten this. So say I could say this is special grass. Let's make the speed around 16 more than what they already have. Can also affect the attack impact. So how strong are they? And also the jump impacts, how high can they jump. Also a couple new settings here as well. We've got health bar impact, so that's if we want the ability for this item to allow the player to have more health or to pick up and gain more health, and the same with stamina as well. So you notice I've just affected the speed impact and I've affected the health impact, and I'm happy with that. So once you've finished adjusting your attributes, all you need to do now is click the Save Changes button. And there you have it. You've just created a consumable item that can be used later on. Cheers, guys.